Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. If you are already subscribed to me, then thank you so much for subscribing and welcome back. If you're not, then hi, this is Tasneem Runita from iCute and thank you so much for joining into this video. It's okay. As you can see, I'm wearing a really pretty makeup right now, and the eye makeup, it's so easy and quick to do. It took me like barely 5 minutes to do the whole eye makeup including the lashes. Since it's that easy, I included the base makeup. You'll get to know how I do my base makeup nowadays and how I did this eye makeup, this super easy but super cute eye makeup. And I'm going to show you 2 ways I have worn this makeup, just to show you guys that you can carry the same makeup in different clothes. Anyways, if you want to know how I create this look, also the way I do my base makeup, then please keep on watching. Okay, so first I'll be taking the Jordana eyeliner. Even though it says eyeliner, it can be easily used as a brow pencil, and with the help of a angled brush, I'll just follow the natural shape of my brows, draw tiny strokes at the start of my brows, and then blend it with a spoolie to make it look seamless. Then I'll be taking these 2 foundations. I'll be using the same foundation on my face afterwards. I'll mix it together, and with the help of a small flat brush, I'll just curve out my brows and hide the tiny hairs. Okay, next I'll be taking this Real Techniques 424 blending brush. It's a really good brush depending on your need. You can put it on different settings and blend pretty much anything. So yeah, I'll just blend the foundation in and make it look seamless as much as I can. Next, I'll be taking this primer and apply it on the rest of my face using my fingertips and blend it as well. Next, I'll be taking the same foundations, mix them together, and using a small flat brush, I'll apply the foundation all over my face. So what I do is, first I apply it all over my face. I try to cover as much as I can, and then I go in with a brush and blend it. It makes my work much easier and quicker, and it also looks better. Okay, so after I'm done blending with a brush, I like to go in with a damp beauty blender and just press it against my skin so that it looks as natural as it can, and it also soaks up the extra product that I don't need. As for concealer, I've been using this new application technique that I saw a professional makeup artist doing to her client on a video. I love the outcome. I love how it gives me a very lifted look. So you can try it and see if you like it on your face. And yet again, using the same brush, I'll be blending everything as seamlessly as I can. Next, I'll be taking some RCMA no color powder on eye magic sponge and press it against my skin. I will not use any excess powder, just the right amount I need, and even if there's any residue, I'll brush it off with a big fluffy brush. Now for contour, I'll be taking a fluffy brush and some powder contour and follow this line and apply it. I also like to go down my chin. Next, I'll be taking a small fluffy brush and contour my nose using the same powder. Alright, the next step is absolutely optional. What I like to do is take a face powder and brush it over my contour to, kind of tone it down. So I'll be taking this very cute blush and an RT blush brush and put it right on the apple of my cheeks, my chin, and my nose. Next, I'll be taking the same face powder to curve out my jawline. And finally, to seal the deal, I'll be using this setting spray. Currently, it's my most favorite setting spray. It gives such a plumping look to the face. I love it. Moving on to the eyes, I'll be taking this concealer, put it on my eyelids, and blend it with my fingertips. This will work as a base. Today I'll be using the very beautiful Tokyo palette from Focallure. First I'll take the shade Fuji and the Morphe M441 brush. I'll pack and blend the shade right in my crease. Next, taking the shade Ramen, I'll blend out the previous shade using the same brush. Then I'll again go back to the shade Fuji with the Jazzy pencil brush and pack it on my crease to give it a depth. Then I'll blend some more. Now my favorite, I'll be taking this kimono shade with my fingertips and apply it pretty much all over my lids. And to bring some color back, I'll be blending some Fuji on the outer corner of my lids. Then taking the Mistine pen liner, I'll be drawing a very basic line. Then I decided to go back camera, wear my lashes, my contact lenses, and just complete the look. Names of the lash and the lens will be in the description box below. Next, I'll be taking a smudging brush and taking the shade Ramen. I'll put it on my lower lash line. Then I'll take this shade and put it on my lower lash line as well. Next, I'll be taking the Pro HD highlighter palette and this very bright shade. With the help of an angular brush, I'll put it on my inner corner. Also highlight my brow bone. Okay, so this is the finished look of my eye makeup. As I told you, it's very simple, but it looks very gorgeous. Now I'll complete the rest of my face taking this highlighter on a small blending brush. I'll put it on the high points of my face, on my cupid's bow, on my nose. Yet again, to seal the deal, I'll use the setting spray for one last time. Moving on to the lips, I'll first use the Nair Jumbo Lipstick in the shade 11, and then I'll top it up with Sleek Matte Me liquid lipstick in the shade Birthday Suit. For the first look, I have kept it very cute and playful. If you follow me on TikTok, there's a high chance that you have already seen me in this avatar. The next look is quite desi, quite ethnic, very traditional. So guys, that was the video. I hope you liked it. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up and comment down below which look you liked more. I'll see you in my next one. Until then, take care of yourself, love yourself, and have a good day. Lots of love.